Hello everyone, my name is Hareem Rahmani and you are watching Hareem Rahmani Official. In my previous lecture, I told you people what is IELTS and what types of IELTS are there and which one is for what kind of candidate. So today we are going to talk about what actually IELTS is, or what you are to do while taking your IELTS test. You will have to enhance your 4 skills. You will have to practice these 4 skills. You will have to do listening, speaking, reading and writing, and definitely all these 4 skills are going to be tested in your IELTS test. What you have to do in listening, you have 4 sections. In all the 4 sections you will have 40 questions, 10 questions in one section. There will be 10 questions in one section, and one thing which is very important, that in listening you will have 2 types of conversation. Number 1, monologues, and number 2, dialogues. And do remember, doing dialogues is easier than doing monologues. I will make a complete video on all the 4 skills separately. So at that moment you will be able to understand and how to practice for improving your listening skills. So listening has 4 sections. All the 4 sections have 40 questions total, and they are listening is less or more 30 to 40 minutes. Your listening test, after the completion of your test, you will be given 10 minutes for transferring your answers from your answer book to your answer sheet. Afterwards, your reading will be there. In reading, you will have 3 sections, and in these 3 sections, you will have to attempt 40 questions, and the exact timing, complete strictly, you will have to focus on timing, because you will have just 60 minutes for completing your task. You will not have any extra timing for any extra minutes, not even a single moment for transferring your answers from your answer book to your answer sheet. Do remember, on the listening section, the listening after the completion of a listening test, 10 minutes only, and exactly 10 minutes will be given to you for transferring your answers. Over here, 60 minutes will be given to you for reading plus transferring your answers. Then writing has 2 tasks, and 2 tasks are you have to write down at least 400 words in these 2 tasks. Task 1, 20 minutes, you will have to 60 minutes, total 60 minutes you will spend on your writing task. Task 1 will have 20 minutes, and you will have to write down at least 150 words, sorry, it's a slip of tongue. Then task 2, you will have to finish your task 2 within 40 minutes. And 40 minutes people will have to write down 250 words at least. Do remember, this is the least limit. Okay, you can write more words, and inshallah I am going to make the other videos on all. I have already mentioned over here that I will make videos on all the 4 skills separately, so that you'll be able to understand what to do and how to do all these skills. Okay, in all these skills, what people really need to do. Okay, and then speaking has 3 parts, and the first part will have general introduction. You will have chit chat with your examiner. He will bring you on a track, and afterwards he will give you a cue card. You will have to speak for 2 minutes on a specific topic, which will be given, or which will be written or printed on the cue card. Then part 3 is the discussion portion. This discussion will be related to the topic which you have already discussed on your cue card, rather you have spoken on your cue card section. That particular topic will be discussed in this particular section. The timing for speaking will be 11 minutes to 14 minutes, but if examiner wants, he can take more than 14 minutes, and he can just take 10 minutes for conducting your speaking. So I'm hopeful that you have learned over here the what is IELTS. In the previous video, I told you what kind of IELTS you need to do. I'm going to give the link in the description box. Excuse me. And you should watch that video as well, so that you'll be able to understand, or you should be able to select the appropriate type of IELTS. Then what you need to do in IELTS, this is what you need to do, these are the skills which will be tested in your IELTS test, and how you can improve them. For that, wait for my next video. I'm hopeful that you have learned something today, and if you have some further queries or further questions, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you ask me certain questions, I will personally and directly answer you. You can contact me. My email ID has been given in the description box, and you can mail me if you want to ask me questions, not only over here the comment box, but also in the email you can ask me the questions. And inshallah soon I will do a live section as a live session as well, and I'm hopeful that you will have a lot of knowledge after watching that particular session. And thank you so very much for watching me. Like the video, share the video. Allah Hafiz.